Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna fix this Chevy Malibu. It's having some idling problem. It have rough idling. Sometimes it does cut off, and we're gonna go ahead and crank it up. Or sometimes it take long to start too. These are the two engine codes that it gave. We have P0121. And that's throttle body sensor performance, and another one for the air intake, for the intake airflow system performance. So these can come from a dirty throttle body, or it can come from a bad throttle body. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the throttle body first. So the best way to clean it is to remove it. So we're gonna remove it and clean it as good as possible. All right, so let's get started on that one. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear how the car sound, but let me show you the engine, the way it's shaking around. You can hear the rev going up and down. You can hear that. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. So guys, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver and pry this all the way out till it stops. Once it stops, you don't have to pry it as hard, as just take your time and pry it. Once that stops, you can lift this up, squeeze this in. You can see how dirty the throttle body is. So you can clean it on the car, but because it's so easy to remove, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off the car. So you just get this foam down, pull this back, squeeze this down, and unplug the throttle body just like that. So it's really dirty, guys, so that's why it's not getting enough air, it's not breathing properly, so that's why it's idling like that. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it. So let's remove it first. It's easy to do. So you guys can do this before you guys go to a mechanic shop. Okay, it's just 4 10mm bolt right here. Before you go to a mechanic shop, you can go to AutoZone. They will tell you the code for free, and once you get that P1101 or P0121, once you get that code, those two codes, you just get your throttle body, try to clean it. You can see how easy it is to take off. Once you remove those 4 bolts, it's easy off like this. So do this before you go to a mechanic shop. Save you a ton of money from diagnostic and from parts and labor. So just do this part. So guys, you just want to get parts cleaner or brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner, spray it on, put a piece of board on the ground so you don't create any mess. And you can see everything coming off with this. You can put your finger in the blade, open the blade just like this. As you can see, I open the blade just like this, and I spray some more on the inside. Just like that. So once that's done, you get a piece of rag and wipe it clean. So I'm gonna get the rag now and clean it as best as possible. I also wipe the blade itself. So just this you gotta do. Hold it from the other side and clean the inside. Just like that. Get some light so you can see it. Nice and clean. So once you finish cleaning the throttle body, go ahead, put it back. It goes on like this. Get your 10mm and tighten it up. So once you catch your 410mm, you put this back in, lock this back down. Once that's clamped down, you can go ahead and start the vehicle. You can also go back to AutoZone, have them clear the code for you. So I'm gonna clear the code and see what happened. So guys, once I clean the throttle, once I clear the code, the car feel normal. It don't feel, and the idle don't be going up and down no more. So you want to do that before you go to a mechanic shop, because that's something you can do with ease. This car have a bad CV axle. Drive, see how it do. And also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me grow, help me help you. My next car could, our next problem I'm working on could be your next problem that you can fix by yourself, that you can save some money. Maybe give me some with some the links in the description. So yeah guys, this drive noticeable better than before. You idle good. Sometimes you drive and you come to a stop, you want to feel like you want to cut off. I come to a stop, RPM stay nice and steady. So seems like this take care of our problem. So as you guys see what a dirty throttle body can do, it will make you feel like you lost power, and also poor idling and stalling at the stop. So this one is a fix guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out, see you next time.